Yo, okay, so I read all your comments and the seating situation. The holes that I drilled and tapped for the Recaros are not safe. So you all commented saying that, so I appreciate that. I'm a complete idiot because I have a rib nut tool. I've had it for ages, just never used it. And I literally could have just rib nutted it in. So yeah, we'll give that a go. Also, before we do that, I just want to show you this, which I am super stoked about. This is a fully stocked warehouse. We've got boxes everywhere. I hide boxes. But basically, we had a literal ton, like 950 kilos of stock arrive from Portugal. We're supposed to be here in February, but it took 7 weeks to arrive instead of 4 days because of Brexit. But yeah, we've had a huge restock. We have the Summit hoodies, we have the Rise hoodies, we have grey joggers, we have black joggers, we've got Summit long sleeves, Rise long sleeves, and we've got Volt short sleeve tees. So they're all back in stock. They went real quick last time, so if you want to grab one, there's a link in the description. But yeah, that's the plug. Sorry, just had to get that out of the way. Here is a bolt for the seat. Here is a rib nut. So now I just need to drill a hole to fit this in. 10.5 mil. I got 10. We're going for a 10 mil hole and we'll just see what happens. Hey! Let's try it out. Never actually used one of these. That is sick. This is my new favorite tool. That's awesome. Rate that. Someone in the comments let me know if that's safe. It's definitely more safe. I'm gonna do another one. That was well fun. Fuck yeah, rib nut tools. Oh yeah. Done. In. Hold that. What up, dog?
How do you roll your film it? That's perfect.
I was hoping you'd be the postman.
I'll go now, fella.
Yeah, go back out.
Delivery from it. Delivery.
Fuck yeah.
What's that? Frame.
Yep. This is kind of what we're actually doing today. This is my BMX. I've had this 3 years, 4 years, this frame. And then before that, I ran a prototype frame, exactly the same. So I've had the same color frame, same thing for like 4 or 5 years. So I thought it'd be time for a freshen up. We'll strip this down, get all the new parts out and have a look.
Oi! Oi! Grip it! Grip it! Oh, what's this? Headset?
Fresh tees. Yeah, I got one for you as well.
Fucking nice. That is proper job. That is
Proper spec.
That's a proper job.
I'm actually stoked to have a black bike again.
It's gonna look so clean as well.
It's gonna look mint. Everything's gone black. Also, of that,
Oh, this.
new cranks, sprocket, pedals,
Bottom bracket.
bottom bracket, and I built these yesterday. These are fresh wheels. So Odyssey hazard lights on a Odyssey clutch coaster, and then I got a proper select front hub on Odyssey hazard, and 2 brand new Odyssey Path Pros on tires. So literally the only thing that I'm not changing are the bars, stem, and forks. Seat wise, I reckon I've got a couple of seats lying around. We've got these proper BQR seats.
Proper nice.
Proper nice. So they're leather with a bunch of little BQRs all over them. It's got a nice little mark in it from sitting in the box. That is a full BMX build. What's the latest with your bike?
It works.
It works.
Yeah.
Let's see a 180.
A 180.
Yeah, I want to see 180. Every video your 180s get better, so. Pull up bar. Nice. All right, just before we build the bike, on a completely unrelated note, I do have still a very expensive car to buy, so just just gonna use that as a segue for every ad from now on. So here is a quick word from our sponsor, which is Surfshark. All right, shout out to today's sponsor for this video, which is Surfshark. These guys have helped me out loads in the past couple of months, so I appreciate that. They make car videos a lot less stressful to make because car videos are expensive. So yeah, shout out to Surfshark. Shout out to you guys for watching my ads. But basically, what is Surfshark? It's an app, it's a browser extension, it's a VPN. Imagine like placing your internet in a bubble and then sending that bubble anywhere in the world.
Why?
Each country has like a different list of programs and shows it can watch. If you use Surfshark, you can change your location to anywhere in the world, and then you'll basically access that country's list of programs and shows and films. This is the UK Netflix. If you got bored of it, or if you watch most of the stuff, change the server location to America. Netflix now thinks you're in America, and it gives you access to like a bunch of different stuff. Also, I've blagged you a mint deal. If you use my code BQR, you get 83% off and 3 months for free. Super cheap, super easy to use, and there's loads of benefits. So get a VPN. Shout out to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to doing stuff. Grease that.
Grease it, grease the old. That's one mucky jumper, that is.
Yeah, this is my workshop jumper.
Dirty burger.
I know.
Your mum had a fit. Oh.
Mint.
Are you gonna run a cassette or free coaster?
Free coaster.
How much PSI do you run in your tyres?
70.
What angle do you have your handlebars?
Bang in line with my forks.
Right hand drive or left hand drive?
Left hand drive.
2 pegs or 4 pegs?
4 pegs. Spider bolt.
You want to see my spider bolt?
Go show him your spider bolt.
It was the wrong thread pitch, so I just cross-threaded it in there. It's the best way.
If you want to know a tip for pedals, turn your bike upside down. This is for getting them off. To loosen it, always goes to the front. There you go. So if you have a spanner, it will always go that way. Unless you're Andy Jones and you've got fucking opposite threaded cranks. Then it's backwards. So to tighten it, you go to the back. Like that. Fuck me, yeah.
Vice. What a handy bit of kit that is.
Fucking love this vibe. Shout out to my dad.
Shout out Box Dad for providing the goods.
Hand me down vice.
I give him birth.
That's what we need. Oh yeah. Lush.
Oh my god!
Listen to that. That's the most dialed sounding bike.
Oh, it's fresh. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. She's done that.
Yeah, actually done.
Romeo.
Lush.
Romeo.
2 hours later.
We tried to go to the skate park and it was full of scooter kids, so we just got beer and chips and we're gonna do the Cupra.
Green.
Yeah, that's the forest chippy for you. Green chips.
So next time you see, hopefully we'll be driving the coupe. It's been a little crazy around here. We got a couple.
We've been looking at the bike. It needs to be all black, doesn't it?
Doesn't it?
It does. So we got this one. I've got something I want to do. Hop switch bar. I haven't done one of them in a long time.
Oh my god, the difference.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Fuck! Why have I never had an all black bike? I don't understand. I'm the biggest goth kid ever. Hop bar, then hop switch bar.
I see it.
Sorry if you're bored of BMX shit now. We'll do some cars. So that is a TT Strut race, which fits the Mark 1 Leons. Back in the summer I prepped it and got it all ready, but I didn't have a riv nut gun, which is what I have now. So, whilst we got it out, Might as well drill her up. It fits. I did all the grinding work, so that now fits down there. And we could just drill a hole through and just nut and bolt it, but it's a pain in the ass if you want to take it off to get up inside the strut.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We'll just rib nut it.
If you're a real man, you won't even use a drill, just keep hitting that till it goes through. You like your hammer like you like your women?
Strangled.
Strangled.
Like that.
Oh my.
There it is.
Oh yeah. Having that Amstel beer now, there, makes me think you should have something white on your car.
White livery would actually go really well, wouldn't it?
Yeah, like an Amstel livery.
Right, I'm going to start drilling the strut holes. It's going to take ages because the strut tiles are real thick. And Andrew is going to start on sanding the cage down. So, this has been a long time coming, but yeah, there's some surface rust. So, we're just going to sand it, and I'm not spraying it because that doesn't work that well. We are going to direct to rust metal paint, smooth black. Last cage I had, we just did it with fucking black fence paint and a paintbrush, and it looked mint. No one would ever know. And it's way easier than spraying it. For sure. So that's what we're gonna do. So Annie's gonna get started on that. I'm gonna get the strut in, and we're gonna do some shit. My new favourite tool. 3 OEM holes now. Right in.
What's she then?
Ah, lovely. You know what they say? Ain't going anywhere. So hopefully that'll actually make a bit of a difference, because now that ties the front two struts in together. So handling stuff. Everyone masking up the interior of their cars and taking their windows out just to paint a cage. Wrong.
Incorrect.
Fence paint and a Wilko's £1 brush. That's all you need.
Ooh, this is actually wedge.
Yeah.
This is worth more than fuel per litre.
So is bottled water.
So it's milk. A dash of Petty with my tea.
Right, just fucking crack on then, I guess. Can't wait to get high on paint fumes. Doesn't go on that nice actually, does it?
Mine goes on that.
Is it? How thick are you going? Thick.
Pretty thick.
Right, you know what, fuck this. This could take hours. Time lapse. Right, that's gonna take a couple of hours to dry, touch dry, and then I can put another coat on. I'm just gonna shoot off. Sound. See you later, dude.
See you later, bro.
Ta-da.
Yacht.
Kind of just like the cleaner stickers. I like just wrapping proper. And then I've gone for a 5cm BQR bold logo on the front, and then proper again on that side. I'm actually in love with that. I'm gonna sleep on that sofa. That's my bed tonight. I really want to ride that bike, so we'll make up for the failed session from earlier. I will see you at the skate park, bright and early, in the morning, in a second. Goodbye. It's spitting with rain. It's a bit damp, but I'm determined to ride this bike. So, let's get a stunt. I'll 3 this, and then bar disaster 180 in. Warm up. I'll nose roll 180 this.
Cool.
Ooh. Sick. What about a big look back on that hip? Yeah, I'll be fine. Why am I riding in the rain? This bike feels very dull though. the perfect noise.
I will do Phoebes Smith 180. Jesus Christ, man, it's wet. It's like goes so quick. Ah! Like that. Phoebes hard weight, cat bar. I don't know why it's taken me like however many years to build an all black bike. It does look fresh though.
Nice.
Cool. Al's trying to call me tricks and it's just fuck. He thinks I'm X Games mode. God, give me a line.
Right, so ice pick, because I figured that out. And then up there, Manny.
Yeah.
Across there.
Yeah.
Down there, and then 180 the spine.
Yeah.
And then do the backwards thing again.
Half cab.
Up the quarter, bar spin, done. Thinks he's fucking good on a BMX, does he? Let's go.
How about I do none of that and I get this 180 bar spin line?
What's it?
This is dry now.
Okay.
I can do a foot jam tail it. Sorry, bike.
How long do you apologise to the bike before you stop? Nice.
I think I'm done.
Good effort.
Cheers.
Not bad for 10:15 on a Tuesday, Wednesday.
Power hour. There is my bike. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Ta-da.
Alright, that was a good sesh. This bike is sick. I'm very stoked on that. The cage is looking black. This is the first coat done. It's still like kind of tacky, even like 12 hours later. So I'm gonna probably give this another coat now, but you don't want to see that because it's boring. But yeah, cage is black, finally painted. You guys can stop shouting at me now. The giveaway, this is the winner from last week's video. This video, I'm gonna give away one of these long sleeve t-shirts. If you want to win one of them, all you gotta do is drop a comment. Let me know if you like the mixture of car and BMX videos. Let me know what you think about the cage. Comment your favorite beer. Mine is not Amstel, just to let you know. It's just what the shop had. Comment your favorite beer. Comment what you think of this bike. Just leave a comment down below, you'll win a long sleeve t-shirt. Shout out to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. Shout out to you guys for watching and getting this far and watching all the way through. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.